Hello everyone, this is the second part of basics of essay writing. I'm going to focus on methods of writing. Now, I normally get this question on how to write an essay. The commonly used method is called peel. It's almost like peeling an orange, as you see over here. Right, this is a little orange over here. So you're not literally peeling an orange when you write an essay question, but the term peel stands for point, example, explanation, and in the next slide, link. All right, so for the particular parts of peel, they have their respective notes that I've placed over here. So for point, often refers to the factor in the question. Now, depending on the question that is given to you, you can have many factors in the question. All right, so normally we always write our point as the first sentence of your answer, and then when we move on, we write on the examples to support the factor of the question. Now you got to bring in historical details from either your textbook or your notes over here. All right, so typically at a lower secondary, the demands is to give 2 to 3 examples, while at the upper secondary is to give 3 to 5 examples. Now you really got to study for these examples. In this video I won't show you how to study, but I'm just telling you the method of writing will include examples. Now if we move on over here, it will be explanation. Now explanation, there is a star, and why do I put a star over here? It is often the most difficult part of the essay writing component. So typically an explanation would have either a reason why or detailing the process how the factor, most importantly, answers the topic. Now you're required to use your own words, so different essay questions would require different explanations. So it's very difficult just to copy and paste from your textbook into an essay question, because every essay question is different. So you really got to go back and answer the question over here. All right, so in my next slide, I will show you link. So in link, what we usually do is the last part of an essay writing. So link normally relates back to the question. All right, we typically use the word therefore, or you can use the word hence or thus in essay questions. So in the previous part, I use peel, P-E-E, and then in this segment I use the L.